Alright guys, I got clapped. I got clapped by Fanvue. It's all done. So things were actually going pretty well. I had like multiple models. Second week of January, we already hit 20k. Until a Gooner requested a specific NSFW image, which I didn't have in the vault. So my chatter decided to take an image from Google Images and just sell it to the Gooner. So long story short, Fanvue found out and yeah, they clapped my account. I cannot make new accounts anymore. I had $3,000 in the bank, which is now pending. I highly doubt I ever gonna get it. I really hope I'm still gonna get it. I got like this big of an email about how it's illegal to take stuff from the internet and copyright this and copyright that, blah blah blah. They said that they were gonna monitor my account for a month and then they will come back to me. So yeah, I really hope I'm still gonna get my money. This was also kind of the reason why I didn't upload a YouTube video for the past 3 weeks, because it just made me semi-depressed. Because someone else fucks up, you kind of lose everything overnight. Like, don't get me wrong guys, Fanvue is completely right, it's completely my fault. But if you are a guy and you have a chatter and that chatter decides to take something from the internet because he's a retarded Filipino, then what the fuck are you supposed to do, man? How can you prevent that? You can fire the guy, that's what I did, but it's just not such a nice situation, to put it lightly. So yeah man, it did teach me like a couple of valuable lessons. First of all, I'm never gonna have multiple models on my account name anymore. I'd much rather just pay a fucking mule to have an account or find someone else to host my models. I don't know about you guys, man, but it really feels like Fanvue is getting more censored by the day. And don't get me wrong, like, my chatter shouldn't have uploaded a fucking stock image from Google Images to the vault. He shouldn't have fucking done that. I fired the guy, he's gone, nothing to do about it. But something like that happens. And by the way, there wasn't any face in the image. It was just a stock image of the bottom part. It wasn't stolen OnlyFans content with someone's face on it. No, it was just a picture of pussy. But if something like that happens and like you can literally lose everything in the span of an hour, then I don't know, man. It just makes me kind of scary about where things are going with Fanvue. And I'm definitely gonna have my eyes more open for uncensored alternatives, just for risk diversification. And it's not just me, like in the past week, 4 people have came to me that they either had a similar experience or their model got banned. I even had one guy and his model was literally quote unquote too black, so they suspended his account. Then I did some research in the Fanvue Discord, then they literally said like quote, Fanvue support will be cracking down on the unnaturally dark models. It just boggles my mind that stuff on a Sunday can be completely fine and then on a Monday you can get suspended for it. Moral of the story, don't have all your eggs in one basket because you can lose everything overnight. Does it mean I'm gonna stop with this shit? Absolutely fucking not. Let's go!